I've realized something recently. I travel more than I thought, but also not as much as I thought. So one day, out of curiosity, I sat down with ChatGPT and I listed out all of the states that I've currently been to, either as an adult or child, or even here on this YouTube channel. And to my surprise, I visited a lot of the states several times, and there are lots of states that I have not touched at all. Because the problem that I'm having is, when I really look at it, I travel within a certain cluster of states that I guess are in my comfort zone. And those are Florida, Tennessee, Atlanta, Vegas, Chicago. I've also been to a few others, but these are the ones that I tend to visit over and over and over again. So I recently decided to buy something that is going to force me to step outside of my travel comfort zone. And it is here in this box, and I want to show you all what it is. So to help me keep track of all of my new adventures, I decided to purchase, I'm going to pull it out the box now, and I'm going to show you. We're going to open it. We're going to open it together. I decided to purchase a map. And let's just read it. It says, Journey to all 50 states, Mo Budgets and Adventures. And it literally has all 50 states on there. Let me show you. And I love it because it even came with pencils on the back that are strapped on with a Velcro to make sure you don't lose them. I decided to go with a wooden map and not a paper map because I felt like it's something that I can definitely use and hang up in my future office space to keep forever and ever. And how it works is, you visit a state, you take a pencil, and you shade in that state. That is how it works. So once you visited a place, you shade it in. And eventually, the goal is to have all 50 states shaded. There were lots of designs to choose from. Sorry, the dogs are barking, y'all. Just ignore them. There are lots of designs to choose from. I did get this from Etsy. I'll put the link below. But there were lots of designs to choose from. But I love this one because it literally spelled out all of the different states as opposed to just having the state's initial. And I could personalize it with my channel's name and journey to all 50 states at the top. Look at that. I love this. I love this. I love it. And I cannot wait to color it in. I have had it for a while, but I was trying to do this video and take you all on my journey to coloring it in and unboxing it. And so that is finally here. Now my dilemma was whether or not to count the states that I visited as a child. And also as an adult, definitely want to count those, the states that I visited as an adult. But my dilemma was whether or not I wanted to count the states I visited as a child. And I've decided to ultimately count those states. For example, California was one, but I decided to ultimately count it. I feel like that is definitely a state that you could do more than once. And just because we're going to eventually color it in on here doesn't necessarily mean that we won't try to hit that state on this channel. However, I do think that I should try to maybe distinguish those states, the states I visited as a child, that is, from the states that I've gone to as an adult, by maybe using specific colors. And that's to be determined, but maybe California, for example, Wisconsin, for example, those are all states that I visited as a child. Maybe there'll be one color, and all of the states that I've visited as an adult will be another color. That way, you know, They pop out when you look at the map. And I also know that these are states that I could quite possibly redo to create new memories as an adult. Y'all, I honestly love the map so much. I almost don't even want to color it in. I just want to keep it nice and clean, but I know that's part of the reason why we got it. So we're going to sit and we are going to start coloring in our states that we have visited. And don't worry, I already kind of consulted with ChatGPT, and I have a visual map of the USA of those states. I'll show you. Let me get it for you. So I've gone in and I've gotten my 50 state travel map printout, which ChatGPT has helped me to figure out. Sorry that air conditioner is kicking on. However, all of the states that are shaded a little darker, those are the states that I've already visited, including Alaska. I've already visited those states. In the 2 states, California and Wisconsin, where I've added the little red C, I visited those as a child. So I'm going to color those on my wooden map a different color from all of the others, okay? And I'm going to go ahead and start coloring now while y'all are here with me. Let's do that. Y'all can hear me clearly. I'm going to unfasten the pencils, and these are Shuttle Art colored pencils, and they're already pre-sharpened, so when you get them they're ready to go. And my favorite color is purple, so of course I'm going to grab that first, and I'm going to color in Florida. Let's color in Florida. Florida has probably become my most visited state, and so I'm just going to shade in Florida. I've been to Florida so many times. We've taken the kids to Disney several times, Universal Studios several times. A few summers ago, I've also gone to Florida Keys, which was my first time going to the Keys. And we went to Key West. So if you haven't seen that video, definitely check it out. And you can't mess this up because the outline is a thick groove, and the letters are also a thick groove. So I'm just shading it in. This does take a little time to do, to make sure that you're getting all around the letters and all around the grooves. And I'm not an artist, but I think this is coming out really good. I'm really excited about this. Look, Florida's done. Yay, Florida's done. So to be honest, I don't know how long it's going to take for me to get to all 50 states. Again, you can see all of the states that I've already traveled to. These are all of the states that we're going to color in on our wooden map. I don't know how long it's going to take me to get to all 50 states, like Arizona, New Mexico, Colorado, Utah, Oregon, Montana, North Dakota, South Dakota, Minnesota, Nebraska, Kansas, and then all of this area over here, the New York, New Hampshire area. I'm not quite sure how long that's going to take, but I do plan to work on getting this map filled up in the most budget-friendly way really, really soon. And I just think that this is going to be a fun series, and I cannot wait to share all of these adventures with you guys. I'm so excited about this. This series is going to open up so many doors. I just can see that there are going to be lots of road trips, lots of KOA campgrounds, flights, car road trips. I mean, the trains, planes, buses, car rides. Did I say car rides? I'm sure I did, but I'm just so excited about the endless possibilities that is going to come with filling up this map. I cannot wait. I'm going to continue to color these in. I won't make y'all stay the whole time, but I'm going to continue to color all of these states in, okay? Having this map is definitely going to make travel more intentional for me instead of repeating the same places over and over and over. And that's the part that I'm so excited about. Let me show you how easy it is to color it in. So you just pick a state, pick your color, and go for it. I'm already falling so in love with this map, and I'm just trying to shade it around the letters. And it's okay if you go into the letter because the color is not going to show. There's no wrong way. You really can't mess this up. And this is Texas. I've gone to Dallas so far and Houston. So I've visited Texas twice. And it's definitely taking a long time to color it in because it's a huge state. And I'm just trying to make sure I don't have any noticeable big opening white spaces. How's that? Texas down. So it's Florida. I'm excited about Alaska, y'all. Yes, I've gone to Alaska on a cruise a few years back. And when I tell you that was the best cruise that I've taken yet, to the point where that is one cruise that I still talk about to this day. And I would love to take again very, very soon. It is definitely going to be something that I'll plan soon. In fact, I was going through my camera roll and I found a lot of footage from that Alaska trip. I'm going to share with you all. The footage is just too beautiful not to share. It's just too beautiful not to share. So more on that to come, okay? It's colored in 2 more states, California and Wisconsin. Those were the 2 states that I visited as a child. So I thought we would definitely make those the same color because one day we do intend to revisit those 2 for sure. But it's coming along. It is coming along. All right, guys. So we just checked off 2 more states in blue, Washington and Illinois. This is definitely a little bit of work, coloring in all of these states, making sure that it looks cohesive and nice and neat. But I can't wait to finish this project. Okay, so I'm going to show y'all how easy it is to color it in. So I just colored in Missouri with this orange, and I'm also going to do orange for Alabama too, because it's quite a ways from Missouri on the map. So you pick your state, you grab your crayon out of the crayon box, and you just color. And it is the alphabets, the letters are grooved, but the crayons slide right over the pencil rather. It goes right over those grooves. And I kind of slow down when I get to the little smaller parts. And then go in a different direction. So up and down, just to make sure I kind of fill in all of the white space. It's coming along so well, and my strategy so far has been to just take each color and color in 2 states. So 2 orange, 2 pink. Well, I only got 1 pink so far. 2 orange, 2 pink. Oh, here's 2 pinks. There we go. 2 purple and 2 red and so on. So that's been my strategy. I'm sure as we continue to travel, we're going to have to use some of these colors over and over again. All right, y'all, so I think I'm just about done with the coloring, but let's take a look at our paper map. These are all of the states, shaded in dark, that we have already visited, including Alaska. So excited about Alaska. All right, and now let's look at our wooden map. Y'all, look at that. That is so beautiful. We just need to shade in Alaska. I'm so excited, and we're going to shade that in right now. I'm going to shade that in with you. Y'all, I'm so excited about Alaska. That is one place that I do look forward to visiting again in the very near future. And I probably already said that. It's a little bug. But until we get back there, I am going to show some footage from my last Alaskan cruise, where we went to Juneau, Ketchikan, and another place. I can't think of the name. I think it was, I'm always getting the name wrong, and I don't want to butcher the name. But those are going to be the next few videos that I come out with. So definitely like, share, and subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss those videos. I am so excited to share that with you. Alaska was so beautiful, and I just think that the footage is too beautiful to sit on my phone unshared. So stick around. Stick around. Alright, Alaska's colored. I move forward, I really would love to stretch my comfort zone and see new places, explore new scenery, new cultures, new food, and just more adventures, more adventures.